evening guys. So today is 1st of July. We are almost halfway mark of 2021 and today is Thursday. So it's another one day to go for weekly expiry, and so here is in front of me the overall picture of the market. So now let's go to the Europe market. Europe market is almost positive. Asian market also, it has almost flat to negative. Asia Dow is almost 0.4%, Nikkei almost 3%, Hang Seng also 0.5%, Shanghai also it's almost flat, Sensex, Singapore, so it's overall down today market. So let's go and have a look at the future market, but another 15 minutes of time. So US market is going to be open, but what we can see from the US market, looking at the futures, what we can expect that the market is actually at a, again range bound to positive side of the move. So we can expect the Nifty S&P 500 jumping a bit. So what futures, it is showing 0.11% up. Gold and silver is also doing pretty good. Crude oil has jumped around 3%. So looking at the overall picture, the commodities is up. S&P 500 also it is flat. European market also quite flat, almost positive side. But looking at the overall picture of the whole market, we can say that it can be a mixed sentiment of the whole market. Now without any further delay, let's go to what is our popular site that we go, Seeking Alpha Morning Breakfast, because here we used to see what is the recent update and the economic calendar update we can get in a one place. So that's okay. Important announcement. Some kind of Instagram has a TikTok problem. Okay, let's forget. Bottom of this article and go check. So as I told that this is actually the market outlook, not outlook what has happened or it's happening. So it is just depicting the same picture here. Apart from that, the today's economic calendar, you can see here initial jobless claim, jobless report is actually one of the sentiment that can reflect on the stock market. So it is one of the important parameter. PMI also affects ISM, manufacturing, construction spending, Fed speech. Okay, Fed balance sheet. Okay, it can be one good speech. So probably we can listen to this podcast. Apart from that, let's go and check what the major companies has to offer as a news today. S&P 500 hits Wall Street 2021 target in the next 6 months. Q2 top winners and losers in energy, metal resources, natural resources. Okay, something DD. DD. Do you know the meaning of DD in India? DD means sister. Okay, let's forget about all these jokes apart. Pop 30% on the first day. J&J, Johnson & Johnson, the popular consumer level company. I don't know that it has actually produced some vaccine also. That J&J shortage prompt for to slash more vehicle production. So there can be some kind of negative news in the automotive section. Intelia, I don't know about this company. Revenue to pay 70 million to settle FINRA regulatory probe. Okay, there is actually again revenue is one of the broking firm. Okay, there is not that kind of major news. Directly go to the S&P 500 SPY, what it has. Technically it is also going up. I am not so quite sure, because as some kind of doji content, I won't be surprised if it falls a bit. But anyway, let's again, as we actually normally screen the stocks from the alphabetical order, let's go and say, keeping at the daily chart. Okay, Apple is constantly going up. AMD has given pretty good move. Actually, I was positive when I booked my profit around 138. After that, the stock has moving upside, but no worries. I have one more position, I think, in AMD. So let's rock the stock, and I will also try to make some profit along with that. AMD has made some steady move around 5%, and continuously, if you can see from past 1 week, it has given some stellar movement for around 80 rupees to 93. Is more than 10% of jump of this stock. I think definitely good profit in my whole portfolio. BA is also, I am long. Looking at this chart, actually I put some long position, but it has given some kind of, the chart is cheating me because it has already came down to this level, but anyway it is actually recovering from the bottom. So you should be very careful what position, what level you want to buy, and if you make a practice of keeping the stop loss and you adhere to the rules, so it's for long time, it's quite profitable for you, because it may actually give some sort of pain at a very short time, because definitely you will get some kind of hiccup to book the loss instead of waiting for a profit. But it is a very good practice. Yeah, so just maintain that practice. Baba, yeah, as expected, actually it may retrace a bit, but looking at this chart, so and the long candle, whatever it has performed, I think Baba has came to, I think, trying to jump up to a positive territory. ENP is actually, I was short, but actually it has given some opposite performance. But what I can do, that once it comes to this position, probably I can go a long position or reverse my position. Facebook is also doing pretty good, $347, but I think it is coming to a nice zone, Facebook. So if it comes to this level, probably we can plan for a long trade Facebook. Now let's go to a daily chart. Now let's go to the hourly and 15-minute chart to see if there is any kind of good position, so that we can make an entry in Facebook. But unfortunately there is some 3 legs good leg out, but this candle, it doesn't have a very much convincing level, so I don't want to take the risk to get an entry in these stocks. Now let's go to GDX has been falling for a long time. For past 1 week it has given some kind of very disappointed performance. So I won't be actually surprised if the stocks comes to that level, and probably in that level we can try to plan an entry, and with a very strict stop loss at this level. It has also breached the gap here. You can see it has tried to bounce, but not bounce, it has tried to take a pause. But looking at this start, it has came down, fall dramatically within the last 3 days, and it has tried to pause. I thought that it may going up, it may reverse, but it didn't reverse, it's still coming down. So I'll be expecting the price to hit at this level, so probably from here it can go up, but even I'm not sure. But even though it don't respect this level, so probably definitely we should book our loss, we should cut our loss and take out of this trade. That's what my plan will be. JP Morgan, as expected, it is going up, it has going up, if it has gone up, and from this level it has given a bounce back. That was also expected because it looks like a quite strong level, but it has reacted, and also from this level also it tried to bounce back again in the positive side. So I won't be surprised if it actually makes some kind of time, it spends some kind of time here, and from here it can bounce. I won't be surprised, and my target will be for JP Morgan till this level within 2 weeks probably. So I have made one position, I think 140. I made entry, I think 152 I made an entry, and I think it is around 155 level. So let's see how it performs. KWB, I am actually already short in this position. So as expected, the stock actually it has going down for the past 3 days, but the last week actually it has given some positive move. So I thought that the stock may go up, but let's wait and see. Microsoft is also doing pretty good, stellar performance. Nasdaq is actually trying to take a pause after this long continuous up move. 90 PayPal is also at the top of the curve, so probably from here we can expect some bounce back or kind of reversal. So if it reaches to this level, so probably we can plan to take profit from PayPal as well. RSX has actually, I don't know, it's a kind of disappointing performance it is giving. It was going quite up, maybe probably it is taking a halt before continuing to the next up move. So let's go and see what's happening in the RSX in the hourly chart. So hourly chart actually yesterday it dropped but trying to recover till it's till the fall wherever it started. Space has given some kind of good move anyway, but it has given some kind of stellar move again. SpaceX, it's a crazy stock as I would say. See how actually it is responding. So as expected, so here it was a very nice supply zone. Probably I could have taken back the profit here, but anyway, let's see. And if it comes down, so probably I won't be surprised if the stocks comes down to this level. That is one thing. So okay, there are a few more stocks. Let's finish my analysis. SPY, as I told, so it is just lacking some space. So stone actually again it is just making some kind of wave pattern. If I just zoom out, you can see, I mean, again just uptrend is still prevailed, so don't try to make it short position. Visa looks like I think it may come down a bit, so if it come down to this level, probably I can make some another long entry here. These, as expected, it is actually at the top of the curve. From here actually it is coming there, so probably if it makes a continuous downfall in the daily chart for around the 1 week, then probably again I expect some downfall from here. And again, just to one disclaimer, I have some position in the VIX. Again, it is at the bottom. XOM, Zoom actually, I was already short but quite disappointed with the performance because it is going opposite my direction, and if the stocks doesn't come within this level, so I'll be in a loss in Zoom. So that's all for today's guys. So hope daily, whatever a daily explanation I'm giving out, or technical chart and the daily I'm going to the each individual stocks and how it is performing, my point of view I am sharing, and overall the market global perspective also I am trying to give. So hope, I think it is getting benefited for you people, whoever is watching. So thank you guys. I'll be coming daily. I am trying to make a practice to update the market daily. It will help you as well as making a practice. Anyway, I just daily I get used to, anyway I just have at least take 10-15 minutes to screen all the stock, and if I get any kind of suitable position, I try to make an entry. That is from my side, but I thought that why not my audience also get some kind of benefit out of that. So that's the reason I am trying to share my knowledge and my whatever analysis I have done. So thank you guys, thanks for watching, and please subscribe and stick to the channel. Thank you.